Alright, so hello from Bangalore once again. If you know, you know. I've actually spent good 2 weeks in Coorg before coming to Bangalore, and one of the places that I was really excited to cover was Irupu Falls. The place was close to about 55 kilometers away from where we stayed. I stayed at Zostel. We rented a four-wheeler to actually go to Irupu Falls. It was a fun ride. I was actually disappointed because I did not get to fly my drone. But मैंने छोटा सा compilation बनाया from that. If you are somebody who's actually going to Coorg and planning to visit Irupu Falls, especially in the month of October, this is what you're signing up for.
कुछ हो नहीं सकता वही the god chose this for you
मैं वो पीछे नहीं जाना
जाना पड़ेगा रुचि. Take one for the team.
yeah man
It's just the beginning. Aurora, the light of day, it's all before you, illuminating. So much to be found. Watch the world spin round. It's just the beginning.
रुचि.
Hi Manoj. Hi Senior Shetty. This is Junior Shetty.
It's great meeting you, Ruchi.
What's up? How do we do this? So just look at the view. Just
एकदम बड़ा गार्डन है ये
Malabar banded peacock, Papillo Buddha. Oh wow, it's common here.
दौड़ो ना दोनों, दौड़ो ना. पोज तो करो कुछ.